here with some Skydio drones, shooting some mountain biking.
And to get a zone like this, it's just endless slabs.
It's like rugged West Coast coastline, so unique. I launched the Skydio drone to scope for access to this line that I scouted from Google Earth. And it looks like we can hike up the ridge and get to where we want to go.
Definitely not gonna get fat on this trip.
I know.
Not only are drones rad for filming, but they're also rad for scouting.
Oh, it looks a little rugged, eh?
It's like somebody came in here with concrete.
There's a cool little rock face on this spine. Terminal velocity.
Right?
We've been eyeing up this whole freaking amazing landscape, and looks like there's a 6 shelf that we could ride.
There's no way to get around.
There's no way down that way.
Sheer cliffs all the way around.
Yeah, we're really doing it now. That's what we're doing. We're really doing it.
Bucket list trip for sure. So beautiful.
So, have you heard of the Whistler Bike Park?